Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I want to show you how you can debloat any Android smartphone. To do this, we will need ADB. ADB can be installed from the developer Android forum. Type in SDK platform tools ADB. Select the version which you want to install. In my case it is Windows. Open up the zip file, extract, close the zip file, and we will need to copy the path. After that, enter system variables, click on environment variables, select path, and we're going to need to edit it. Click on edit, and after that on new. Paste the path from your folder. Enter it and start ADB. It is necessary so the program can work. Here's the phone that I will show you how you can remove your application. As you can see, Facebook is pre-installed and cannot be deleted. However, apps that are downloaded, like voice recorder, can be uninstalled. This is just a quick note on how to enable developer options, which is needed for ADB to work correctly. Go to your settings, scroll down, select About Phone, Software Information, and look for build number. Tap it several times, enter your password, and developer mode is on. After that, it should appear at the bottom of the settings. Select it and enable USB debugging. Enter your command prompt or terminal and type in ADB devices so we can verify that our device is connected. After that, enter the shell by typing ADB shell. To see the name of the package, type in pm list package pipe grep and in quotes type the name of the application that you want to delete. Let's take for example Facebook. After we have got our name for the package, type in pm uninstall -k /user0 and paste the outcome from com.packagename.packagename. After that, we will see that Facebook is gone. We will do the same with Netflix. Grab the package with pm list package pipe grep, copy the package name from com.packagename, type in pm uninstall -k /user0 and paste in the package from com. That way Netflix is also removed, and this is the way to debloat any Android smartphone. Just be careful not to uninstall something important, which will soft brick your device. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye now.